how to reset SoundCloud password. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up SoundCloud application on your device. Soon after opening up, you'll be able to see this interface. If you are new to it and want to create an account, then you can go for create an account option. Since we are trying to reset the password of the account that we already have, you have to go for I already have an account option. And here you have to go for forgot your password option in the blue color. Here you have to enter your email address associated with your SoundCloud account and go for reset my password option. And you have to check your email for further instructions. And here you can see I have received an email. So you can read this, and in the second paragraph you can see there is a click here to change your password option. So you have to click on here with the blue color. After that, you'll be opened up to a browser where you can change your password. After retyping the password, you have to go for save option. And you can see you have successfully changed your password. You can directly sign into SoundCloud from over here and log into your account. So by following this simple step, you can reset SoundCloud password. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.